Quality cost is one of the important aspects to raise the awareness of quality. So whatever work you are doing, look at the cost of quality. That will give you a good idea where you stand. And when I say cost of quality, there are two aspects of cost of quality. One is something which you can see, which is visible, and then the second aspect of that is something which is not visible or which is invisible. And then the cost of quality can be segregated into number of buckets, number of categories. On the right side of this slide, I have four major categories of quality cost: prevention, appraisal, internal failure, external failure. The concept of quality cost was introduced way back in 1956 by quality guru Feigenbaum. He wrote an article in Harvard Business Review at that time. That is the foundation of this concept of cost of quality. Let's go to the next slide and learn about two parts of the cost of quality, one which is visible and one which is not visible. And then we will look into these four categories.